brought all my makeup products, and they are in this really cute bag that my sister got me. I wanted to show you guys. It says Kiki's Delivery Service, and it has flowers and little pictures of Gigi the cat. So let's start with my base, so concealer. I have this Cosrx concealer that I wanted to try again because I remember using it and it being a pretty close match. I don't remember if it was usable, so I kind of wanted to try it. Alright, so I'm just gonna dot some of the concealer on and blend it in a little bit. That is way too light. I'll be right back. I'm gonna take this off and put on my ColourPop concealer. I wanted to try something different, but it didn't work out. Okay, I took off the Cosrx concealer. I'm just gonna go with my trusty ColourPop one in the shade Medium 30. I'm just going to cover up these pimples. For my brows, you guys know I always just use my 100% pure soft brown brow color, and I just fill in my brows. Now I am on to my favorite part. I'm gonna be doing my eyes, and I have this 3CE multi-eye color palette, and this is in Overtake. I'm so excited to use this palette because I seen Joan talk about it and she really likes it, and I just think that it's such a pretty combination of colors, of shimmers and mattes, and it's just so pretty. It has everyday kind of colors in it. So I'm first going to be taking this matte shade as kind of the base for my eyeshadow. And then I'm going to be taking this really nice dark brown shade and just concentrating that on the outer parts of my eyelids. I'm going to be taking this kind of brownish orangish shimmer shade in the middle here, and I'm going to be putting this from the center of my eye to kind of the inner part of my eye. So I don't know if that picked up on camera very well, but that shade layers so pretty on top of these kind of brownish colors. It's just such like a nice shimmer to it. And the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this light shimmery color right underneath the last one we used, and I'm gonna be putting that on my inner corner. Okay, and then the last thing I will be doing is I'm gonna be taking that same really dark brown shade that I used at the beginning, and I'm gonna be using that to smoke out my bottom lash line. All right, I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm using this M Cosmetics brush tip liner, and I'm just gonna be making a wing. I haven't done this in a really long time. All right, I'm gonna put on my lashes really quick, and these are the Lily Lashes by Kiss Lashes. So these are what the lashes look like on, and a lot of you guys ask me about lashes because I feel like it's kind of hard to find good lashes that fit for monolids, and my monolid shape, personally, this fits really well for me. I still like the Ardell Demi Wispies, but sometimes they made my eyes look a little droopy, like kind of sleepy on the sides, and I feel like this does that less. It kind of opens the eyes a little bit more because there's a little more flutter on the ends of the eyelashes. So, but yeah, I really like these. They're not too heavy. Yeah, they're pretty light, actually, very comfortable on my eyes. Yeah, and you guys are actually the ones that suggested this brand to me, so thank you so much. All right, we are finally done with the eyes. I'm gonna move on to blush, and I have this 3CE blush cushion, and this is in the color Soft Brown. So what I do is I just kind of lightly press my fingers into the sponge to get some product, and then I just dot it on the apples of my cheeks and blend it in. So sadly, this brown is not brown enough for my skin, like it's really light. So I'm gonna be taking a different product, and I'm just going to try and create that brown blush look. So I'm gonna try using this Tarte bronzer. Let's see if this works. This is definitely working a lot better than the 3CE cushion. Yeah, that definitely gave more of a brown blush than the cushion. I don't think the cushion is bad because I do have that same cushion, but the other one is in the color Girlish Red, so that blends really beautifully on my skin, and this did too. It's just, I think it's a little too light of a brown for my skin, so it didn't show up. So if you have a lighter skin tone than me, then this will be a good blush for you. All right, now that we are done with that, let's do some highlighter. I have this 3CE blush, and this is in the shade Bling Peach. I'm going to pat this onto the tops of my cheekbones and the tip of my nose like I always do. All right, and the last thing I'm going to do is lips, and I have Going Right and New Nude from 3CE, and I'm gonna first try New Nude and see if it goes with this soft brown makeup look. I am going to try and pat a little bit of Going Right on top, just a little bit, because I feel like this is really light of a neutral color, so I want to darken it just a tad. All right, I like that much better. You guys should look at my lips. This velvet lip tint makes your lips look so like smooth and soft. It's so pretty. All right guys, so this is the finished look. I had some technical makeup difficulties. Oh, that was really weird. I had some difficulties along the way, but I think I completed the look pretty well. I actually really like this brown blush look. Again, if you have a lighter skin tone, this will definitely work for you. I really, really like this blush cushion. It's just the shade isn't a dark enough brown for me. But yeah, I really like it. I feel like this is a really great, perfect, everyday kind of look. It just feels and looks so cozy and warm. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye! Put the paw, Pepper.